Oh, so much. Linda,
What?
come here. She left the computer on when she went to the bank. I swear.
This is exciting.
Hey, I'm Robin,
I'm Linda.
and we work at Kelly's shop part-time once in a while and help her out with some sales. Well, guess what? It's her birthday. So we're going to work Thursday and Friday of this week from 10 to 5.
While she goes on a cruise.
Must be nice. So we're going to have a Kelly birthday sale while she's gone. So what we thought we'd start with, maybe widebacks?
Sure. How about 25% off of all widebacks in the store?
All right. That includes scuttles.
'Cause it's wide.
They're wideback. Got to include them. What about the fabric in the store?
I was thinking maybe $8.99 a yard.
Dang. That's a good sale.
It is. Very good sale.
Evidently, we'll be working very hard those days. What about the batiks?
Well, batiks. Let's just up them $1 more. So they'll be $9.99
Okay.
a yard.
We got some beautiful ones in too in the last couple of
We
weeks,
do,
so that's
we
going to be
do.
great. What about those 1 yard and half yard cuts that we had on sale last time?
Oh.
We had them all out on the table.
That was a good sale.
Yeah. Want to do that again?
Mm-hmm. We'll put those out on the table.
All right.
They'll still be
All
marked
right.
down.
What about the pre-cuts, the 10-inch squares, the 5-inch squares, the jelly rolls? What about all those pre-cuts?
Well, let's move them out. 25% off.
Dang, you're awful generous.
I am. It's not my money.
All right. What about the kits? We have some really nice kits.
We do. But we would like to cut new ones. So, hey, how about
well, that's true.
25% off?
So 25% off kits, 25% off pre-cuts, 25% off widebacks, and all the other stuff is on sale too?
Yep. And there will be some surprises in
Oh,
store.
we can make some decisions.
I know,
How
we can have
exciting.
so much fun.
How exciting. So again, that's Thursday and Friday at Stitches and Sweet Tea. So Kelly's birthday sale. We'll be here from 10 to 5. So Linda or Robin will both be here to help you with any of your sale needs that you want. Please come and see us because we're like excited. that we
Looking
get-
forward to seeing you.
All right. Have a great day, guys. She's going to be so surprised.
I know.